still that teacher on a summer budget. I shopped my closet for all of these looks. We're not packing a lot of shoes. No, we're not doing that. Wearing bathing suits all week. Hi Gens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeneen Marie and my channel focuses on fashion and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I'm packing for vacation. If you're like me, you try on everything before you pack. My goal is to pack as little as possible, wearing bikinis and bathing suits all week. I plan on creating outfits based on my bathing suit because I want to wear my cover-ups as my outfit. This way I don't have to pack as much. I shopped my closet, so everything that I have is either old or thrifted, but nothing is new. This outfit is what I'm going to be traveling in. This is black linen pants from Target, short sleeve crop top from, I think, H&M. This is old. And I have a blazer because it's always chilly on the plane and in the airport, right? So this is the travel outfit, shades of course, because we're not doing pajamas and tights. Right? We're not doing that. And sweatpants, we're not doing that when we travel anymore, right? Because we're demure and cutesy, right?
I'm very demurtsy, I'm very cutesy, I'm very demure. But I mix them both because I'm what? Very demurtsy. I'm very cute with it, but I'm very mindful with it, very respectful with it. I don't do too much, I do just enough. I don't go overboard, I don't go underboard. I'm not the basement, I'm not the attic, I'm where you live. I'm very demure.
Sorry about that, my phone died. I took off my airport outfit. Like I was saying, our airport outfits are gonna be demure, cutesy, and modest, like the TikTok creator said, right? Those words have gone viral now. But they're right, that's how we wanna look. We're not wearing pajamas and tights and sweatpants to the airport. We want to be a little bit more classy. So I'm ready to pack. I got my suitcase here open and I'm going to show you what I'm packing and put them directly in my suitcase. And if I can find any of the links to the outfits or to the bathing suits, I'll definitely share that with you. The first look is this two-piece yellow bikini swimsuit from Target. Styled with these denim jeans. These are Lucky brand. I believe I got these from Marshall's. Then this light blue linen shirt. So this goes in here with this Fedora hat and these slide-on shoes. So shirt, shorts, bathing suit. This is one look, one outfit. And I'm just going to, this is how I used to do my kids' clothes when I would pack their clothes for camp. Top, bottom, their underwear will go inside here and roll it up because that's what I'm gonna do. So that's what I'm doing. So we got one outfit ready to go. So then we have another two-piece. This is by the brand Time and True. I think I got this from, this is from Walmart. Time and True brand, I believe, is Walmart, right? Walmart or Target? I think it's Walmart. This with this. And I styled it with this beige and white zebra print skirt and this white linen shirt. So we're gonna put this here this bathing suit is going in here. And this is what I'm doing. And I'm gonna style it with this hat. This is a more like hobo type style hat, but I like the look. It looks cute, and I think it goes well with this skirt, the bathing suit, and the linen shirt. So that's another outfit. Then we have this one piece black bathing suit. This doesn't even have a name on it, so I don't know. Remember where I got this from. Basic black bathing suit. Style with these cut off denim jeans, these black jeans. These, I believe I got from Marshall's a while ago. These shorts. This tribal print cover up. All right, so this is gonna be the top for this look. And I kind of like crisscrossed it to make it look like a shirt. And I styled it with this hat. And it goes perfectly with the tribal print in this cover up. Right, so we're gonna take the cover up, the shorts, and the bathing suit, and we are rolling it up. This is outfit number 3, and this look is gonna go with these. For this look, I'm wearing these flats. We're not packing a lot of shoes. No, we're not doing that. The next look, 2-piece black bathing suit. I love this top. It's sheer here, and then it has the little cups. And then the bottom, basic. And I styled it with this cover up and just made it like a skirt. So this is gonna go like this. This bathing suit is gonna go in here. And I styled it with this hat. All right, this is cute. This is look number 4 in there. Gonna wear that with these. The next look is this white bathing suit, similar to the 1-piece black bathing suit, but this is much longer because it goes around the neck and around the waist to create like a belt. So I styled this bathing suit with these white shorts. I think I got these off of Amazon. Along with this cover up. I got this from Target. No, I got this from Amazon. This is from Amazon. This is gonna go right in here. We're going to roll it up. Look number 5. This look is, I start with this hat. The next look is this 2-piece bathing suit, apricot color, styled with this dress. This is old. Well, it's about 2 years old. This is from H&M. I love the colors. And it comes with a belt And it has a lot of colors. So any bathing suit, you can have like this peach color, blue, lavender, yellow, beige. These colors look good together. And I styled it with this fedora. But this look will also look cute with this hat because this tribal print kind of matches, right? So I have options, but this is another look we're going for. Wearing bathing suits all week, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outfits. Another bikini set. I don't know where this is from. It doesn't have a name. I don't know, maybe TJ Maxx or Marshalls. But I love these type of bathing suits because you can make it wide on the sides, or it has the drawstring where you can make it smaller or skinnier to give it more of a bikini look, which is cute. Fupa friendly, it covers the stomach, it's high waist. This is the top, right? And I styled it with this skirt with the ruffles. I think this is a fun, flirty skirt. With this Black Panther t-shirt that I've thrifted maybe like 2 weeks ago. And I did cut the neck right here just to make it like a small v-neck. I cut it right there. So skirt, shirt, and the bathing suit. And I styled this look with this fedora as well. We're gonna roll this outfit. This is outfit number 7. And we still got a lot of room. I plan on working out while I'm on vacation. Right? We don't want to lose focus of the goals that we have. So I will be packing 2 workout outfits. This is old as well. This outfit was from Victoria's Secret, old. And this is the top. So we're gonna pack workout gear. That's 1. And then we have another pair of pants. These are, what is this? Nike. I don't know if you could see, it's dark, but these are Nike pants with this top. This is just to work out in. So I guess I do have to pack some sneakers. Unless it's yoga and you do that barefoot, right? So that goes there. Oh, and I'm gonna pack this just in case, like for dinner, to go out in the evening, something light. Can't go wrong with the slip dress. So that I'm going to pack as well. These are a lot of hats. I don't know. We'll see. I have 2 pairs of shoes that I'm going to pack. I was thinking about packing this dress. I think I got this from Shein, or it might have been like it. It's like, I don't know, it looks very like beachy and like I need to be by the water in this dress. And it will go cute with this hat, right? So I might pack it. I don't know, we'll see. But those are the looks. And then I just have to add like my toiletries and some pajamas and some undergarments. I'm still that teacher on a summer budget. I shopped my closet for all of these looks, but we're trying not to spend money to go on vacation, right? Most of the money should be spent on the actual vacation itself, but not on clothes that we'll be wearing on vacation because those people don't know us, right? So let me know what you think of the looks. I'm looking forward to my next video where I'm gonna be styling some pre-fall looks, getting ready for September. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and be on the lookout for my next video.